Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a SD card reader not working and not showing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it. Click on this advanced option. Check mark this apply repairs automatically and then select next. Now you just need to follow the on-screen instructions and complete this process. Select enable. After getting done, now you just need to close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution, you just need to go to search menu and type disk management. Comes up create and format hard disk partitions. Click on open it. In here you just need to right click on the SD card reader and select change drive letter and path. Select change. Select this drop down and select any other letters you want. After changing it, select OK to save changes and select yes. And after getting done, you just need to close stuff here and open up File Explorer. Go to this PC and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.